Hi there, J.L. Rathbone here from Jesus King of Kings Evangelistic Ministries. As you know, there's a mighty wave of evangelism sweeping the globe at the moment, of which we are definitely a part. God gave me a vision for our nation, Australia, and how He might want to reach this continent and this people. But you know that a vision needs a strategy. And so God has put a strategy in my heart which I only claim is a part of the way that He wants to speak to His people and the lost sheep of this nation. Freedom Music Festival is an event we've run already twice just north of the Sunshine Coast, Queensland. And God has spoken to me about next year, 2021, about 5 cities in our wonderful nation. Please accept my invitation to present the vision to you for Freedom Music Festival and how it will assist in the work of evangelism throughout this country. I'd love to come and meet you and talk with you further about this most imperative mission that we are on and how we may assist in your evangelistic efforts. God bless you.